Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Dzar bin Ahmad. My metric number is A174210. I am from Set 1 and I want to present my computer simulation assignment, which is ideal binary distillation column for KKKR 3713 dynamic and process control. Based on the question, I need to develop model for each part of the distillation column, perform the P, PI and PID controller based on the servo and regulatory control using Simulink. Here is the given parameters. For question number 1, I am required to develop model for each part of distillation column. Here is the example for top 3. First, I need to perform mass and component balance. Based on the assumption made, such as the content in drum and boiler are perfectly mixed, the liquid in reboiler and column base are perfectly mixed, the relative volatility is constant, and also others. Based on the assumptions, I managed to obtain the following model. I also need to develop model for other parts such as condenser, reflux drum, top tray next to top tray, and tray which is n equal to 10, feed tray, first tray which is n equal to 1, and reboiler, and also column base. After that, I managed to obtain the relative volatility alpha equal to 1.0641. Alright, next for question number 2, I need to create column in Simulink using the transfer function in the form consists of G11, G12, G21 and G22. Here is the example for G11. First, I perform mass balance and determine all the variables such as control variable, disturbance and constant. And also don't forget about the manipulated variables. Next, I perform degree of freedom analysis and proceed with mass balance where hold up equal to inlet minus outlet. Dynamic in condenser is neglected, so I obtain constant liquid hold up. After performing Laplace transform by using the model, I obtain the transfer function which is G11 equal to x prime d over r prime. Next, I find the G12, G21 and G22 and I obtain the overall transfer function. Alright, for question number 3, after obtain the overall transfer function, I managed to draw the block diagram for the distillation column by using Simulink. Here is the block diagram based on the servo PID controller. Next, I need to tune the PID controller in order to get good response graph. For scope 1, which represent the top column, the set point that I chose is 1.1 and the final value is 1.07. For scope 2, which represent the bottom column, the set point that I chose is 1 and the final value is 0.5. After tuning the set point, I can run the simulation. So here is the response graph that I obtained for scope 1 and also scope 2. That's all for me. Thank you very much.